to Gordon Guitar and to a cool oldie from EMINEM. This song is called Love You More. So I believe this is a bonus track on the Encore album. So I believe the last track or so, the 21st track. So a great song from EMINEM there. A cool lick, like there usually is a lick there, and it goes round and round with a cool beat. So let's start with this one. We have the capo here on the 4th fret, and we have 3 different chords to go over first. So let's get the chords. First, A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be F. So that's a bar on the 1st fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is D minor. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Alright, so we have strumming we can use later on. First, we're gonna look at this melody, and I'm gonna show you how to do it for each and every chord. So let's start. It will be in the chord progression A minor 2 times, F will last for 1 time, and D minor for 1 time. So A minor is twice as long, and then comes F and D minor. All right. So the A minor part sounds like this. Okay. So that is open A together with open E. This top string, so open A and open E together. And then you add the 2nd fret G string and a clap. And then comes the open A together with open B. Then 1st fret B and clap. Okay, so that's the first part, the A minor. So open A together with open E, then 2nd G, clap, open A and open B, 1st B, and clap. Okay, then comes the F. So it will play this part. Okay. And then, yeah, you will play the 1st E string in the top, in the bass string, and then the 1st B string. You play these 2 notes together, and then you add the 3rd fret on D string, and clap. All right, and that's the F part, you can say, because it goes over to the D minor in a smooth way like this. So we'll stop there with the F. And then comes the last part here, and that will be for the D minor, we can say. It will be. Alright, so that will be 1st on B, and then open B, and then open D, and then 2nd G, and clap. Here, this part is a little bit, yeah, you can do it in 2 ways. You can play either the way I just showed you, like this, or you can play the open B and D simultaneously, so together like that, and then just 2nd fret G, clap. You can do it like that, or I prefer to play it not simultaneously, so divide the notes, but it comes, yeah, just right after, like this. I think that gives you a more fluent feeling, so not that sturdy or so it gives you more like it rolling, yeah, like a rolling stone, so like this. All right, that's my way of playing it. So that's the D minor. And then comes the A minor parts, sounds like this. All right, so that will be third on D string, then second G, then open A, and second D, clap, and then open A together with open D together, both in the same time, and then second D and clap. All right, so that was like this, slow. And the same case goes here when it comes to the notes here simultaneously or not. You can do that again after you play the third fret on D string. So the next note here, the second fret G string, you can play that together now with the open A. It's up to you. Like this. So third fret D, then second G together with open A. Like this. Or you can play third fret D. So you split the notes from each other. So it's up to you, and then continue. I prefer to split the notes again for the same reason, to have it more fluent and yeah, kind of falling forward all the time. So becomes more alive in my opinion. So that's my way of handling it. And that is the A minor part, and then comes the F again. Okay, so that is just first fret on E string in the bass together with open D, and then second D, and clap, and then comes the final part, the D minor. Okay, this note or this last melody here should, yeah, it could be played darker. So instead of there, you can play like up here in the bass notes, but that will be hard to handle together with the bass, because we will have to do tough work here with your left hand. So that's why I put it on the top strings here, higher version. So fits great anyway. So yeah, it's even better in my opinion. So I'm not sure if they're played like this somewhere in the song. I'm not sure there. Or just on the bass darker notes here. I'm not sure, but that is how we're gonna play it for now. So and a clap. So that will be open D together with first E. So then open E, first B, third B, and clap. All right. So that is the melody. It covers 2 rounds of A minor, F, D minor. So it will be A minor, F, D minor, A minor, F, D minor. So I'm gonna take you through this melody slow now. I'm gonna play it slow for you, so you really can listen how it sounds and understand what we're doing here. So let's go. That is 1 round, very slow. All right, so there you have the main melody. Now we can choose to play the strumming as well. So it's pretty easy. When it comes to the strumming now, we will play it with A minor first, since that is the first chord. And 1 round is simply like this. So that's it. All right, so that will be down, up, down, clap. Okay, so down, up, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up, down, clap. All right, so you're gonna play 2 A minors, 1 F, and 1 D minor, and that would just go round and round. So A minor 2, F1, D minor 1. So A minor, F, D minor, A on. So that is pretty much what you need for the song. You could add and try to add in some of the notes here. It's very difficult. Yeah, it's almost impossible to hit all the notes, but you could try to hit some of the notes like on the A minor, perhaps this open E and the second G, and open B and first B. So it could be something like this. Something like that. So the F is harder and the D minor is harder as well, but the A minor is pretty easy to get the notes there. And you could also have the D minor, the last D minor, that melody. It could be like, all right. So if I illustrate this kind of clapping with this notes built in into this one, it could sound something like this, a bit slower. And what I did there, I used the little F here, and that is third on D, second on G, and first on B. That could be a variation of handling this F to get a little bit more of the higher notes here where the melody goes. Instead of having it barred like this, it's impossible almost to get the notes like this. So the little F is third on D, second on G, first on B, and there you have more possibilities to get the notes you want. Just some extra material there. Otherwise, that is Eminem's Love You More, track 21 on the Encore album. Great album, check that one out. And yeah, I think we'll finish this off with some freestyle, and let's go.